May problema po yung hot shower niyo po sa room niyo, ma'am. Pwede po ipa-double check po natin, ma'am, sa maintenance team po, ma'am, together with our housekeeping. Maintenance, please come in. Sir, yung room 101 po natin, pati may problema po sila sa shower po. Is it okay po, sir, if you will double check, sir, together with our housekeeping?
Sige, Jomar, babalik ako ha. Pupunta muna ako sa beach.
Okay po, ma'am. So, since pupunta po kayo sa beach, ma'am, okay lang po namin kayo ng beach towel po. And then, may free access po kayo sa lahat ng facilities po namin dito. And then, habang nagpapasyal po kayo doon, ma'am, bigyan po namin kayo ng free 1 glass of cocktail po.
Sige, I'll be back.
Thank you po. Maintenance, please come in.
Go ahead po, go ahead.
Sir, status po ng room 101 po natin.
Sir, ang ano po natin is okay na po.
Copy. Thank you.
After a few minutes later. Jomar, kamusta yung
Hi, Ma'am Nika. Good afternoon ulit. Bali, as per checking po, ma'am, together with our ng maintenance team po and then yung housekeeping po namin, ma'am. Bali fix na din po nila, ma'am, yung consent po natin sa loob ng room po.
Siguraduhin mo, Jomar, kasi umahin pa lang night ko. So, babalikan kita pala, hindi pa rin gumaling at shower.
Yes po, ma'am. Rest assured po, ma'am, na hindi na po mauulit po.
Sige, salamat ha.
Thank you.
Next scenario. Wi-Fi is not working.
Mabuhay, Sir Anatoy. How may I help you?
I think 3 days here in your resort. Pero alam mo yung wifi nyo is hindi taga nag-work. So marami ako nag-take ng mga meetings, ang mga business. So ano bang ma-offer dito para ma-resolve mo itong wifi nyo? Kasi wala talaga eh. Malulugi ng company ko.
Apologies for that matter, sir. So, since masama po yung panahon po ngayon, sir, yung wifi po, sir, na para sa guest po namin po, pali unstable po siya. So, since may business po kayo, sir, or may transaction po kayo, pwede po namin i-offer po, sir, yung wifi po namin dito po sa lobby lang siya po. And then, pwede po namin kayo bigyan ng space po, sir, na hindi po kayo maabala po. Thank you po, sir. IT officer, please come in. Ma'am, yung room 102 po natin, bali may concern po sila sa regarding po sa Wi-Fi connection. Pwede po, ma'am, pa-double check po.
I connect her to the main office to our Wi-Fi, and this is the Wi-Fi password. And we do our best, sir, to fix this. That's moment.
Hi, sir. Yes, sir. So, our IT officer, sir, we're gonna give you the Wi-Fi code for, yeah. So, when you're doing your transaction, sir, you can have a coffee, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Next scenario na. FO,
Go ahead, ma'am. Go ahead.
the Wi-Fi on room 102 is okay na.
Copy. Thank you.
Next scenario. The next scenario po is the aircon is not working properly. So hot, so hot.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How may I help you?
Actually, I'm not good. Yeah, we're not good actually. Can you please check our room or else send someone to check our room? The air conditioner is not working since this morning. You know that? Actually, please wait. Actually, I already said that to the this morning. I don't know who is she. So is she endorsed about it or what?
So apologies for that matter, ma'am. So I already aware for that concern, ma'am. So is it okay, ma'am, if I will send our maintenance team to double check your room? May I ask, ma'am, if you have valuable items inside your room, ma'am?
No, because I already have it here.
Okay.
So should we wait 1 hour or 2 hours? How many hours?
Have us it for a while, ma'am. Then I will coordinate this one, ma'am, in our maintenance team.
Okay, let's go, honey. So hot, my God.
Maintenance team, please come in.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Red.
Sir, so yung po ako ng room 103 po, pali yung aircon po nila hindi po gumagana, pa-double check na lang po.
Okay, copy. Front office, come in.
Go ahead.
Sir, yung okay na po.
Mag-upgrade ba na?
Copy, sir, copy, thank you.
Hello. So it's almost 1 hour. So what is the?
Yeah. Hi, ma'am, Samantha.
Yes.
Ma'am, as per checking with our maintenance team, ma'am, so your aircon, ma'am, is already fixed. So,
Oh, that's good. You know what? It's our honeymoon. Me and my husband is so tired. It's so hot. You know, we want to sleep. So is it okay now? Can we come in?
yes, ma'am. So,
What?
So, regarding for that matter, ma'am, I already coordinate with our management, ma'am, to give you a free upgrade, ma'am. I will upgrade you in beach front for your inconvenience, ma'am.
Oh, that's good. So I think that's perfect. Right, honey?
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, so
Salamat
all
po.
good?
Thank
Okay,
you, ma'am.
thank you very much. Thank you.
So, bali pa po diagnose po namin sa first scenario dahil nga po walang hot shower. So, nagkapag-coordinate po siya sa housekeeping and then sa MST and then chinek po yung room at inayos. At dahil flexible po masyado yung front office namin, hindi niya na po ni-raise sa supervisor yung mga concern. So, siya na lang po nag-solve ng sarili niya, kaya niyang i-handle. So, after po na, nag-apologize po siya sa guest and then nagbigay po ng free cocktail po sa guest para po sa inconvenience. So, second scenario po natin is yung sa Wi-Fi na hindi gumagana. So, yung ginawa po ng front office po natin, coordinate sa IT, and then po inayos at nag-offer po yung front office natin na gamitin yung Wi-Fi ng sa lobby dahil po yung Wi-Fi sa guest is not working. And then nag-offer po ng space sa lobby na makapagtrabaho po yung guest at nag-offer po ng kape at nag-sorry din po sa guest for the inconvenience. And then the third scenario po is yung sa aircon. Medyo namali lang po ng konti yung scenario namin dahil po ang mangyari po dapat doon is hindi naayos. So, ang kamali naayos. So, yung po coordinate again sa MST,